Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Right, bush fix time. We've been out to Bread Snack over the weekend, and the one thing we picked up on an XRV 750 is it ran out of battery. First thing I had a look at is the MOSFET regulator rectifier. Wiring looks shoddy, but it actually still works. So the other common problem with the XRVs, which hasn't been picked up by anybody seemingly, is these plugs. So you'll see a lot of pictures on the internet talking about this, but here's the actual evidence. It is burnt. A hot connection causes the issue, and we'll fix it. Part 2 of the video I'll explain how we do it, but we're going to just bypass the connection and then join it up. It's a bush fix. Tools needed. We're going to have to use a set of pliers, a knife, and some 3M tape. Try and use a 3M, it's just better quality. Preferably we wanted to use lugs or chocolate box, but as I said, we're in the bush somewhere out here. There's nothing around, so we'll make do with what we have. Part 2 of the video following.